Mold is a type of fungi that can cause a variety of health problems and extensive structural damage to buildings, furniture, and other household materials. Mold growth is not only unsightly, but can be highly toxic, making it important for homeowners to take preventative measures to keep their homes safe from mold growth. Common signs of mold include musty odors, stains, and water damage. In order to prevent the growth of mold in your home and keep the toxic spores away from your family, keep an eye out for signs of water damage or excess moisture. You should fix any leaks promptly and avoid leaving wet clothes or towels lying around the house. Regular cleaning and maintenance of HVAC systems are also crucial in preventing mold growth, as these systems often circulate air throughout your home. For more videos like this, please like this video and follow us here. Thanks for watching.